Viršuliškių. 25.
Yes, today on 11th of August 2024. But yeah, this is also built in 1977. Some carbon is replaced here.
Yeah.
We'll check upstairs. Rest these 4 doors of 320 grams. Sadly also some of these ventilation holes are replaced.
Yeah, serial number is LF010162.
That 5 button is bad also for some reason.
Yeah.
But it's better than the, even better, of course better than the 90s generics. Also.
Yeah.
Even though they are not worst.
Yeah.
It's the night floor. But
Yeah. Can't put it there.
embarrassing.
Yeah.
But then one was, if it was embarrassing.
Yeah, but I take after, but I have to wait.
But maybe I can take one then.
Yeah.
But that was not a good situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspected by device and maintained by Viršuliškių. The missing incandescent lights here.
Pictures.
Yeah.